Welcome back my YouTube channel Worth Old Coin Value. Today, we're exploring a fascinating piece of Spanish history, this coin 25 pesetas coin from the year 1975. Though it may appear modest, this coin has a hidden depth that makes it both historically and monetarily valuable. The 25 pesetas coin minted in 1975 is part of Spain's transition era, carrying symbols of a nation between dictatorship and democracy. What makes this particular coin stand out is not just the date, but the story behind its creation and the ruler it features. On the obverse of the coin, we see the portrait of Francisco Franco, the Spanish dictator who ruled from 1939 until his death in 1975. His profile faces left, surrounded by the inscription Francisco Franco Caudillo de España por la G. de Dios, meaning Francisco Franco, leader of Spain by the grace of God. It's a strong reflection of Spain's political climate at the time. What makes this coin especially interesting to collectors is the year marked on it, 1975. This was the final year of Franco's life, and subsequently the end of an era. Although many of these coins were minted that year, not all of them are the same, and that's where rarity comes into play. There is something called a star date on Spanish coins, tiny numbers within a star that tell the actual year of minting. While the coin is labeled 1975, it can have different star dates such as 75, 76, or even 77. Some of these variations are far rarer than others and significantly more valuable to collectors. The reverse of the coin features the coat of arms of Spain under Franco, with a crowned eagle and other royal symbols. Around the edges, you'll see the denomination, 25 tas, and a small hole near the top of the coin, a unique feature that added practicality and made the coin recognizable by touch. Another detail that sets this coin apart is its metallic composition. The 25 pesetas coin is made of an aluminum bronze alloy, giving it a warm golden color. It has a diameter of 24.5 millimeters and weighs around 7.5 grams, making it a coin of considerable presence when held. The coin's design and composition alone make it a collectible item. But what truly elevates its value is the condition it's in. Coins in mint condition or uncirculated form can fetch significantly higher prices compared to those that show signs of wear or handling. For collectors, provenance and authenticity are key. A certified 25 pesetas coin from 1975 with the right star date and in uncirculated condition has been known to fetch incredible prices at auctions and private sales. These coins tell a rich historical story and serve as a tangible piece of Spain's 20th century narrative. In the world of numismatics, the combination of rarity, historical context, and condition determines a coin's true value. While many coins from this era are common, a few select variants, especially those with rare star dates or errors, have reached astonishing prices in the collector's market. Among the most notable cases, a 25 pesetas coin from 1975 with a rare minting variation and certified grading recently reached a value of $50,780. This remarkable price reflects not only the rarity of the piece but the deep interest collectors have in Spanish transitional era currency. So, if you happen to come across a 1975 25 pesetas coin, take a moment to inspect it closely. Look for the star date, assess the condition, and if possible, consult a professional numismatist. What may seem like a simple coin could turn out to be an extraordinary find. Coins like this coin 25 pesetas from 1975 remind us that currency and history is more than just money. It's a mirror of our shared past. Each coin tells a story, and some stories, like this one, are worth tens of thousands of dollars. Thank you for joining us at Worth Old Coin Value. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into rare and valuable coins from around the world. Stay curious and keep checking your pocket change. The next treasure could be in your hands.